staff. Mike Eller here. Just wanted to take a moment to say hi and thank you all for what a great job you're doing out there every day. As you know, we've had a lot of growth over the last year, and we've had some discussions, and we thought it would be a good idea to do a little video here and shoot it out to y'all regarding the structure of the organization so that your questions can get answered and there's greater clarity and alignment throughout the business. So I'm going to do my best here to sort of sum up how the structure looks for everybody, and I might stumble a bit here and there because there's a lot of pieces that we're trying to keep track of, especially since we've had so much growth. So I'll start with our very valuable professional field cleaning staff. So if you're a frontline cleaner in a building, whether it's day or night, part-time, full-time, you're answering up to your area manager. And if you're a building lead and you might be a working crew member but have some lead responsibilities over that crew, you're also answering up to that area manager. The area manager has an assistant as well, and that assistant can carry out direction from the area manager and might show up at your building and is acting on behalf of the area manager. So hopefully that clears things up regarding evening cleaners and where you're supposed to go for questions. Basically to your area manager for all things. Now your area manager might redirect you to HR if you've got a question about benefits or 401k or health insurance, that kind of stuff, or paycheck stuff, but go directly to your area manager first. That goes as well for day porters that fall out there in the field. You're servicing a job site, you're there from, let's say, 6 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon, or a different time slot during the day. Again, your area manager is your direct line up. So area managers are answering to the operations manager in each branch. So we have an Ypsilanti branch and we have a Farmington Hills branch. And the area manager, there are 3 or 4 of them in the Ypsilanti area. They will answer up to the Ypsilanti branch operations manager, and the area managers in the Farmington Hills branch will answer up to the operations manager for the Farmington Hills branch. And then those branch operation managers, they answer up to the director of operations. Now there's a couple things here. I'm looking at some notes, making sure I don't forget anybody. So if you're a floater in the evening and you're plugging holes, you're going out, you're cleaning different slots that are open, if someone's off sick or on vacation, or we just haven't been able to fill an open position, you're a floater in the evening, you are answering to your area manager in that area. We do know that sometimes you cross over and will help in a different area. We try to keep those lines as clear as possible, but sometimes other managers need help, and we are a team and we are committed to helping each other out when we really get in a pickle. So, but generally speaking, you answer up to your area manager, and again, the area manager's assistant has authority to shift things around throughout the day or the evening depending on what happens. If you are a daytime floater or a daytime area assistant, you know that you are helping us solve problems across Southeast Michigan. So you know that you might be helping fill a spot in one area one day and in another area another day. So because you are sort of floating across multiple areas and even across both branches, right now you're being directed by the director of operations, and that will continue for as long as we need it to until things change and you might be answering up to someone else after that. But for now, you are answering up to the director of operations, who has the ability to move you about from day to day. Finding that I might be repeating myself here on a couple of items, so if I am, please bear with me. So as an area assistant, as you know, you're answering to your area manager. I think that that role is pretty clear. As an area manager, you are answering up to the operations manager for your branch. So if you're an area manager in the Farmington Hills branch, you answer up to the Farmington Hills operation manager. If you're an area manager in the Ypsilanti branch, you answer up to the operations manager for the Ypsilanti branch. If you are an operations manager at the branch level, so right now we have two, Ypsilanti and Farmington Hills. So if you're one of those, then you answer up to our director of operations.